In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Outlook. If you're new to Outlook or just want a quick refresher, this process is very simple and should only take a minute. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can sign in without confusion. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or device. This could be Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, go to the Outlook website by typing Outlook into the search bar or address bar, then open the official Outlook page from the results. When the Outlook homepage loads, look for the Sign In button. It's usually easy to spot near the top of the page. Click on Sign In to begin accessing your account. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Outlook account, then click Next. Make sure the address is entered correctly, since even a small typo can prevent you from signing in. After that, Outlook will ask for your password. Enter your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters if needed. Once you've entered it, continue by following the prompts on the screen. Depending on your account settings, you may see a few extra verification steps before you are fully signed in. For example, Outlook might ask you to confirm your identity, approve a sign-in request, or review a security prompt. Just follow each instruction shown on your screen until the login process is complete. Once everything is accepted, you'll be taken into your Outlook account, where you can check your emails, manage your inbox, and use other Outlook features. A quick tip before you finish. If you're using a personal device and want faster access next time, you may see an option to stay signed in. If you're on a public or shared computer, it's better not to select that option for privacy and security. Also, if you have trouble signing in, double-check that your email and password were entered correctly, and make sure you're on the official Outlook sign-in page. This can help avoid common login issues. And that's it. Once you open your browser, go to Outlook, click Sign In, enter your email, click Next, type your password, and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be logged into your account.